haka khana pateng kabansa kan mau ya ka gorkha patha shala high secondary school kabaha uni usnam baro chisnam karake ke jingdam kaba shispa sanpo usnam nado bala sayaka nado usnam kat praspa anya pun rio hado uni usnam araja pun rio na ba laingut na kikana school jongka kila poi haka kerdan top position haka SSLC exam mentau snam haka ba uwei neki ulapai haka kerdan kabad nyngkong usamla wangal lama halor kani haba keren bat ki katu kat ni kilat pathai kubor u principal ka school u amit thapa ula penpau ya ke jingkman ka bakrau bha halor kani ka nam bat ka buram ka badai haka sin ka nyngkong baka school kala yo ban haka ni ka kerdan ka badan buram bha uloong bakan long ka klipman ka bakamen bat kabansa haka khana pateng jong ka school na baka day haka sin ka nyngkong baka school kala yo bat poi haka ni ka kerdan ula penpa ke jingai khuble ye ki noi kai ki ba juye trailang bat ki khana school banyarap ye ki ha ki ba bon ki benta bat penpa ru ke jingkerman baka school kumpa kala juye trailang bat baro kadang yo mensiem nakani ke jingpoi ki khana school jongka shakani ka kerdan kabla wanra buram ya ka school.
I'm Amit Thapa, principal from Gorkha Pathshala High Secondary School. Today is really a historic day for everyone in the Gorkha Pathshala. Today for the first time our students achieved the top position in the SSLC board examination result. Not only that, apart from the first positions, two more of our students have also achieved the 7th position and the 8th positions. This achievement becomes all the more special for us this year because we are also celebrating, we are having a year-long celebration of 150 years of our foundations. It's a sesquicentennial celebration for us, and I cannot ask for anything better than this during this moment of celebrations. It's really, I mean, my students have really achieved, and the achievement has really made us proud. It's a proud moment for every one of us.
Oh, it is a big touch from your heart, even the school with your student in a long years. What is the mission and vision of the school?
Our purpose has always been to serve the students from every section of the society. Here in our school we have students from the mixed society. Like most of them are from those lower middle class. Whose parents are not very well, do not have we have with low incomes. And so, in spite of all these kind of hardship, the achievement is really commendable.
How do you fit the student to reach on top of the hill?
It has always been our ultimate dream to see our students in the top positions because we always felt that we are less to no one. We have a team of dedicated teachers, we have motivated students, but something or the others would always deprive us from achieving this. But so we have been working hard. Last year we have been having this regular assessment test in the schools. Followed by feedback from the teachers, and based on their performance, we would accordingly replan our what we say. We would redesigns our test, and I think it is a joint effort of the teachers and the students that has made this possible. This market area is lies on the other side of the building. That has nothing to do with with students' performance. We have always been trying hard that our students get best of the best facilities. Apart from imparting quality educations, we have also been ensuring that our students get the best facilities for the holistic development. Like at present also we are having the inter-school our annual school meets, and as part of the 150-year celebrations we are also having the inter-school meet on the 9th and the 10th of April. So we make sure that that students are not only confined to their studies. We also ensure that they are fully exposed, so that when they leave Gorkha Pathshala, they become good not only in their studies but become responsible citizens who can be an asset to the society. The highway is on the other side of the building. We face the other side. This what we call residential side. So those disturbance at no point of time disturbs our day-to-day environment in the school.
What is the next role of the school and the principal of the student in the next coming years?
We'll remain committed to our motto of service before self. That is the motto of our school, service before self. We will continue to serve the society. We'll try to ensure that the students get best education irrespective of their socio-economic factors, conditions.
The achieve the student. Would you like to encourage the student to be the top of the country, like to have some IAS officers of the unless in the state?
As I said, it has always been our, we always remain committed to our motto of serving the students. We want to ensure that the students who pass out from this school does not have only the academic achievement. I want the holistic development of the students, so that when the students goes out, they do not have this, academic degrees. We want to have students who can go out and serve the country in whichever capacity they can. They can be an IAS officers, they can be an IPS officer, wherever, in whichever capacity they'll be engaged in the futures. I just want them to give the best and serve the society.
How do you connect the school with the authority of the government, especially from the emboss? How do you connect with them?
I couldn't get a question.
How do you connect the school?
From a school side, we always work in close coordinations with the different department that are directly and indirectly connected connected in the field of education. So so whatever corporations are required or asked by the government department, whether it's MBOs or the office of the DSU, we always provide them.